This is Adam Dean Hoffman today, a registered sex offender in Nebraska. But not because Texas ever put him on one. Hoffman was a Waco attorney, and what Texas prosecutors let him walk away with has a state lawmaker now demanding change. For years he practiced law in McLennan County. Clients trusted him. Courts recognized his name. Nobody around him knew what he had admitted to behind closed doors. According to the Texas Tribune's investigation, Hoffman entered a guilty plea to indecency with a child. The boy was his son's friend, and it happened at Hoffman's own home. The charge was indecency with a child by sexual contact, a guilty plea on the record in McLennan County courtroom. His sentence? 10 years of deferred adjudication. Stay out of trouble, and the case simply disappears. A $2,000 fine. Not a single day in custody. And the part that made national headlines, no sex offender registration. His Texas neighbors never got a warning. The system decided they didn't need one, and the prosecutors who signed off did not come from the local DA's office. They came from Attorney General Ken Paxton's office. That is, Paxton's own prosecutors agreeing to a deal that kept a confessed offender off the registry. When the Tribune exposed it in May, the boy's family stood outside the courthouse and demanded to know why. And in Waco, a state representative was already moving. Pat Curry filed new child protection laws, including minimum jail time for plea deals exactly like this one. The message was simple: no more deferred adjudication for offenders who target children. And Hoffman? He quietly packed up and moved. Papillion, Nebraska. A fresh start. A new town. New neighbors. Nobody who knew his name, except Nebraska, read his Texas conviction. And in June, Sarpy County put him on the sex offender registry. 15 years. Mandatory. His new neighbors can look him up today. His old neighbors never could. It took a completely different state to do what Texas refused to do. And once the registry story broke, Hoffman resigned his license with the State Bar of Texas. The license survived the conviction. The spotlight ended it. A lawyer, a plea deal, and a warning that only arrived after he left. If you think deals like this need minimum jail time, hit subscribe and look for our group on Facebook and help build the community.